We want to answer that question in this lesson. Question yedu iri kuti solve the equation 1 over 3a minus 1 is equal to 2 over a plus 1 minus 3 over 8. Saka question iyo tinoianza sei? We are given 1 over 3a minus 1 is equal to 2 over a plus 1 minus 3 over 8. So chatinofanirwa kutanga kuita panapa, we should group like terms. We group like terms. So magrupiro atinoita, tinogona kuendesa 2 over a plus 1 kuside kuno. But I think it wise kuti tiendese minus 3 over 8 kuside uko, kuti ive positive. Then tobva tazoendesa 1 over 3a minus 1 kuside uko, kuitira kuti tidhile nemapositives. Saka tikazviita toda kuendesa minus 3 over 8 ku left hand side. Kuti ende ikoko inosvika iri chi 3 over 8. So 3 over 8 iri equal to 2 over a plus 1. Tikaendesa 1 over 3a minus 1 kuside kunoku, inonoita minus 1 over 3a minus 1. Because kunoku yanga iri positive. Paya transfer ichienda to the other side of the equal sign, which is the right hand side, yasvika iri negative. So tadaro manje, takufanirwa kuita sei? Panapa takufanirwa kuita simplify the equation. So how do we simplify the equation? Masimplifyiro atinoita ndeyekuti tinofanirwa kungosolva ku right hand side. Tinofanirwa kusubtracta mafractions aya. So tinozviita sei? Saka we have 3 over 8 is equal to 2 over a plus 1 minus 1 over 3a minus 1, like that. We have to find a common denominator, which is simply going to be the product of our two denominators, like that. Saka panapa tofunga kuisa futi ma brackets kuitira kuti zvive easier kusolva. Bracket ra a plus 1 rikadivide into the common denominator. A plus 1 na a plus 1 zvinochekana, tinosara tina 3a minus 1. So bracket ra 3a minus 1 ndo richa multiply 2 unowi kuti tive na 2 multiplying 3a minus 1. Toataisa minus yedu tichitora ino ishi. Then bracket ra 3a minus 1 into the common denominator, ma brackets aya ochekana, tosara tine bracket ra a plus 1 richa multiply na 1 ari panapa. So 1 minus 1 multiplying a plus 1. Kuno kutoramba tinyora 3 over 8 is equal to. So tadaro manje, what we have to do is tinofanirwa kusolva kunoku. 3 over 8 is equal to 2 times 3a is 6a, 2 times minus 1 the minus 2, minus 1 times a the minus a, minus 1 times 1 the minus 1. So panapa pakakosha, minus 1 times a, that's minus a, because it's a negative multiplying a positive. The same happens pana minus 1 times plus 1, it's also minus 1, because a negative is multiplying a positive. This all is over this common denominator, which we should not simplify. Kureva kuti hatifanirwi kuexpanda ma brackets pasi panapa. It's 3a minus 1. So tripano, we are going to further simplify the numerator on our right hand side. Saka we can rearrange panapa, it becomes 6a, starting with positives, minus a, then it's minus 2 minus 1. This is over the common denominator, a plus 1, 3a minus 1. Tadaro, 3 over 8 is equal to 6a minus a the 5a and minus 2 minus 1 the minus 3. This is over a plus 1, 3a minus 1. Saka tiri panapa manje, we mainly have two methods. Tine method yekutanga nemethod yechipiri. Method yedu yekutanga tinogona kuiti clearing the fractions. Dostarayo. This is our first method, clearing the fractions. Tinogona kushandisa zvakare the method of cross multiplication. Saka ini cheta ese panapa. But imimi you have to pick your poison like always. So starting with clearing the fractions, we have 3 over 8 is equal to 5a minus 3 over bracket a plus 1 ne bracket 3a minus 1. It's wiser kuisa 5a minus 3 mu bracket zvakare, so that we treat that as a compartment, cannot as a unit. So 3 apo. In order for us to be able to clear the fractions, we need the common denominator across all fractions inside the equation. Saka ma denominators edu pama fractions ese ari mu equation iyo ndi 8 bracket a plus 1 ne bracket 3a minus 1. So our common denominator is going to be the product of all denominators. So what is the product there? 8 a plus 1 na 3a minus 1. This should multiply ku left uko kuna 3 over 8. This is equal to again 8 a plus 1 na 3a minus 1, multiplying also ku side kunoku kuna 5a minus 3 over bracket a plus 1 ne bracket 3a minus 1, like that. So zviri apo manje a uno ushu akuchekana na a uyo, then bracket a plus 1 rochekana ne bracket rino iri, bracket 3a minus 1 rochekana ne bracket iro. Kureva kuti at the end of the day panapa tinenge tina 3 multiplying a plus 1, 3a minus 1. Tango multiply zvese zviri kunumerator. This is going to be equal to 8 multiplying 5a minus 3. Ngatigumirei panapa. Before I simplify any further, let us now do the method of cross multiplication. So maitiro tinoita cross multiplication, tina 3 over 8 is equal to mu bracket 5a minus 3 over bracket a plus 1 ne bracket 3a minus 1. Saka this denominator is going to be multiplying that numerator, this denominator also multiplying that numerator. Kureva kuti at the end of the day we have 3 multiplying a plus 1, 3a minus 1 is equal to 8 multiplying the bracket of 5a minus 3. And kuisa ma brackets kwakakosha because kunotiratidza what is important. 8 has to multiply 5a. 8 are multiply the whole numerator, which is 5a minus 3. So that is the importance of Gisama brackets. But if you are to make a comparison, you are going to find out kuti 3 multiplying a plus 1, 3a minus 1 is equal to 8 multiplying 5a minus 3. Stage yatava inoi through cross multiplication yakangofanana in this stage through clearing the fractions. So if you are an advocate of efficiency in your mathematics, kureva kuti moda methods are as simple as possible, taking you to the answer in the shortest possible amount of time, you then have to learn how to cross multiply. Because paku cross multiplier, we basically have two methods, actually two steps. Step number 1 and step number 2. But kana tikada kuita clearing the fraction, we have step 1, a long step number 2, and then finally a step number 3. So we have to progress from this stage. Progressing, tinenge takutora 3a plus 1, 3a minus 1 is equal to 8, 5a minus 3. Takuitora iyi manje, takungoda kudi kuisolva, but tinoisolva sei? Kunoku tinogona kutanga tarimova mabrackets panapa, kureva kuti inge iri 3 then times a then 3 times 1 then product yatawana toimultiply kunoku. But the safest thing to do panapa kuita compartmentalize this part, kureva kuti ngatitange taexpanda mabrackets tozomultiplya ne constant. Saka kunoku tinoshandisa mabrackets aya anonzi maboxed brackets. So 3 panapa tava kuexpanda mukati munomu ichaita a multiplying 3a minus 1 plus 1 multiplying 3a minus 1, like that. This is equal to 8 times 5a the 40a, then 8 times minus 3 the minus 8 16 24. Saka kunoku tatoremova mabrackets tapedza nekuright. Ngatirambe tichisolva kuleft. So kunoku tiri kuti 3 then a times 3a the 3a squared, a times minus 1 the minus a, 1 times 3a, that's plus 3a, and 1 times minus 1 the minus 1, like that. This is equal to 40a minus 24. Then that being done, takuda kusolva zviri mukati memabrackets munomu first. Saka panapa it's just going to be, let us say we want to rearrange starting with positives, obeying order also. So it's 3a squared plus 3a minus a, then minus 1. This is equal to 40a minus 24. Saka panapa it's 3. Then we have 3a squared, 3a minus a, that's plus 2a minus 1. This is equal to 40a minus 24. So what do we do pano? We have to multiply 3 ari kunze kunoku with every term inside the bracket. In essence, we have to remove the brackets. So 3 times 3a, 3 times 3, that is 369. Saka panapa we have 9a squared. Then 3 times 2a, that's plus 6a. 3 times minus 1, the minus 3. This is equal to 40a minus 24. Then tiri panapa takuda kuita arrange everything to the left. So that panapa we have 9a squared and it's plus 6a. Tikaunza 40a kuside uku inosvika iri minus 40a. Then tikaunza minus 24 kuside uku inosvika iri plus 24. Then minus 3 inoramba iri kuno. This is equal to 0. So tatransfer 40a ikasvika iri negative. Tikatransfer minus 24 a negative ikasvika kuiri positive. Ndobva tangonyora zviri kuno uku sezvazvingori. Saka panapa takuti 9a squared, then it's plus, what is actually is it plus. Don't be quick like zvandanga ndaita apa. Tikati 6a minus 40a tinowana minus 34a. It's a negative. Then panapa, what is 24 minus 3? That is plus 21. This is equal to 0. Saka patasvika panapa manje tatova papoint of no return. Hatina imwe nzira yatichaita kunze kwekutofactorize this quadratic equation. Saka pakufactorize, you can go and check the video we did on how to factorize. Rather, you should be multiplying the first and the last terms. Seeing, of course, kuti this part of the equation is written in the correct standard form of a quadratic expression, which is a squared ax squared plus bx plus c. Yatakatsanangura in layman terms, tichiti zvinoreva kuti kana tichinyora a quadratic equation kana expression, tinofanirwa kutanga neine the highest order kana kuti highest power, which is 2. Tabva pane ina 2 panapa, we go pane ina 1 to the power 1, then lastly tongopedzisira nenumber. Saka tinotanga neina squared, tongoenda pane ingori nevariable unknown, which is a, then towatangopedzisa nenumber yakamira yega. So what do we get? What do we get if we multiply 21 times 9? 9 times 1, that is 9. 9 times 2, that is 18. Kureva kuti panapa tiri kuwana 189a squared, because we are multiplying 9a squared times 21. Tiri panapa, we need factors of 189a squared, such that tikamultiply mafactors aya anofanirwa kutipa 189a squared. Asi tikamaedha oro kumasubtractor anofanirwa kutipa minus 34a. Saka tinomawana sei? Mashandiro atinoita panapa ndeyekuti we are going to do this by trial and error. So we take 189. Tobva tati, let us look at factors dzinopinda muna 189. We can start off with 3. Tikati 3 into 3 ndi 1. Ko 3 into 18 ndiani? Ndi 6. And 3 into 9 ndi 3. Zvazviri kureva panapa ndezvekuti tikati 63 times 3 tinowana 189. Izvi munozviunderstanda kana mukaconsider the relationship between division and multiplication, and we have demonstrated it in many ways. Chero mukatraya kutoti 63 times 3 ichakupai 189. But 63 na3 hatina nzira yatinogona kumultiply these two numbers, 63 and 3, such that somehow we get minus 34a. So let us go to the next factor, which is 7. Tikati 7 into 71. What is 7 into 18? That is 2. Because 7 times 2 is 14. So the remainder becomes 15, 16, 17, 18. It becomes 4. And 7 into 49 is 7. Saka 27 times 7 inotipa 189. But we can see that 27 na 7, we can manipulate them in such a way that somehow we end up with minus 34a. Saka ma factors edu are going to be 27a na 7a. Ma factors anaya, tikati minus 27a minus 7a tinowana minus 34a. Because we are just adding negatives, our answer is a negative. But tikati minus 27a times minus 7a tinowana 189a squared. Because we are multiplying negatives, we have a positive. Saka mafactors edu aya satisfy ma requirements ema factors atinoda. Tama multiplier akatipa 189a squared, tikama adda kana kusubtracta akatipa minus 34a. So what we do here is we are going to just substitute my factors to replace minus 34a. So it's basically like this. This is equal to 0. Then tadaro manje, we are just going to be grouping things. So group up panapa, over the group up. We factor out 9, but to factor out 9 here again. Saka 9 is a common factor pama numbers atinawo, but we can also see that a is a common unknown pama variables atinawo. So we are going to factor out 9a. Here we are left out with a. 9a times a, that is 9a squared. Then panapa, what do we multiply 9a with to get minus 27a? It's basically minus 3. Minus 3 times a, it's minus 27a. Panapa tawatati minus. We factor out 7. Minus 7 times a, do not minus 7a, and minus 7 times minus 3 ndo inotipa 21, because a negative multiplying a negative gives us a positive. You have to be careful here. This is equal to 0. So at the end of the day, we collect terms arikunze, which is 9a minus 7. We collect a bracket a minus 3. This should be equal to 0. But taita zvataita izvi zvinoreva izvo kuti therefore 9a minus 7 iri equal to 0 or a minus 3 iri equal to 0. Principle inoshanda apa iri very interesting, because now ingoripo ndeyekuti if we are having two numbers multiplying each other to give us 0, one of them should be 0. Kana tine manamba maviri ari kumultiply tisingazive, a times b is equal to 0. It is mathematically astute to assume that either of a or b is going to be 0. Saka panapa it's either a ndiye 0 and b can be any number. B can be a million, b can be half, 3/4, 3 over whatever. Kana a angori 0, then also b can be 0 and a can be any number, so that the product becomes 0. So tashandisa that presumption, tichadzoka panapa toda kusolve this side, which is just going to be 9a is equal to 7. If we divide both sides na 9, we have a being equal to 7 over 9. And tikauya kunoku, a is just going to be equal to 3, like this. So aya ndo angari ma answers edu. A is equal to 7 over 9 or 3. But before to make this conclusion, we return back to our question. Mfunzo wedu wati wangoti titite solve the equation, and we have solved the equation. Tikaona kuti a can have two values, 7 over 9 or 3. And if you want to provide a proof of our method, a is equal to 7 over 9 or 3. You can substitute 7 over 9 into this equation. Kana substitute 3. Maybe I might help out with substituting 3. Imimo substitute 7 over 9 mega. Kuti mungoona kuti answer yedu iri correct here. Saka tika substitute 3 pese pana a toisa 3, it's 1 over 3 times 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 over 3 plus 1 minus 3 over 8. Saka panapa it's 1 over 9 minus 1. Okay, this is equal to 2 over 4 minus 3 over 8. So 1 over 8 iri equal here to 2 over 4 minus 3 over 8. Kurati panapa our common denominator and 8, 1 over 8. Saka tikati 4 into 8 then 2 times 2 then 4. So it's 4 panapa minus 8 into 8, 1 times 3 and 3. And you can see that 1 over 8 eventually shall equal to 1 over 8 because 4 minus 3 and 1. Done. Saka ndapruvha kuti answer ya 3 iri correct. Imimi uchipruvha iwo kuti 7 over 9 iri correct. Ikasava correct, come with it directly to me or muma comments. And we see kuti is it that your proof is wrong, or it is actually that our mathematics somewhere it's wrong.